Okay, let's now look at question 3. The diagram below shows a circuit with the resistance connected in a combination of series and parallel. So P is actually connected in series with Q and R. Q and R are actually connected in parallel with each other. Okay, so S is actually connected in series with P and also with Q and R. Okay, so so if you see something that's given in the question, it's good to add on to the diagram. So in this case, P potential difference of Q is 3V. So how do we indicate the diagram? Use two arrowhead across Q and we put 3V. So this is a very important step. Because with this step, I can actually solve some other steps. So we're at part A. What is the current in R? Current in R is actually I equal to V over R. Just apply the triangle. Remember the triangle? Okay, V is on top, I is below, I and R is below. So to find current I just cover I, is V over R. So in this case, V has to be the potential difference across R. So you look carefully, if 3V is across Q, so can I say that across R is also 3V, because these two resistors are connected in parallel with each other. Okay, so they have the same voltage. So I take 3 over R. So I take resistance of R, which is 6. So my answer in this case is 0.5 ampere. So this is for part A. Okay, what about part B? What is the current in S? Okay, same method. I is equal to V over R. So in this case, my V is still 3. Okay. But is it 3? Okay, I think I made a mistake here. Okay, because in this case, if you look carefully, is S. This is not S. I was looking at Q, so by right I should be looking at S over here. Okay, so this is, be careful about what you're looking for. This is S, this is R. So S is actually here. So how do you find the current through S? Remember that when current goes through these two branches, it will split, and because these two resistors are the same, so if I say this is 0. If I say across R is passing through is 0.5, I can also say that because it's the same resistance, so I can say that the current that is going through Q is also 0.5. Remember, current will go in and split, so the sum of the currents will be I will be equal to 0.5 plus 0.5. So the answer is 1 ampere. So if here is 1 ampere, I can also say that this is 1 ampere. So in this case, the current that flows through S is actually 1 ampere, resistance is 4. So current is actually equal to 1 ampere. Okay, so this is for A and B.